Just follow my lead, girl. Brian, say it again.
I like overachievers because you're only supposed to be your own color.
Janice pointed out that she's not very red, and I said, Janice, you can be very direct when we interact.
And was she aware of that?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I'm a red blue. I'm a very complicated person.
So I'm a white, but I tend to listen more, and I need to work on my blind side is power and being at the table and voicing my concerns.
You know what I mean.
Okay, yeah, let's do the Diana thing. Diana's leading now. Let's go like this now. And if you're not a dancer, you don't want to be seen by people that are dancers. Am I right or not? That's why I said don't look at anybody. It's an excellent reset. Even if you're not a dancer, you don't have to be a good dancer for what we did. Do you not really? Who was the worst dancer in the room? Look. I think there were 3 of us.
You overanalyze things and just be super detailed.
That's you?
Just keep going. It's like, you know what, let's get to the...
Which is similar to the example I gave, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, nice. Let's give them an N1. N1. Nice.
I stopped by Kathy's office. She and Mandy were having a conversation. I had a question for Mandy about something. She started to tell me what she's waiting on, and I'm looking, but I'm reading, and I went, okay, Bundy's fine. But that's a blind side.
Yes.
Red, right? Because when I'm ready to go and moving, I'm looking for what I'm looking for, but I need to also understand and give others room to process and do what they do.
Anthony and his crew did, was that some yellow characteristics they tried on us, or they did a little more extra red on us, didn't they? Okay.
We talked about like yellow and taking situations lightheartedly. If you're dealing with somebody of a different color, it might not come off the same to them.
Right.
So using humor or something might not be the same to a person.
100%. And when you see that it's not working for that person because you misjudged and that yellow didn't work, you know what you do on that? Fall on the sword. And you know what say? I'm a terrible comedian, I need to knock it off. And then change the subject, right? Because they don't care, they're fine with you switching. My red team, what did you notice about how each color approached the challenge differently? So how did you approach it as the red? How did you guys approach the challenge?
We itemized it and went down the list and kind of handled it step by step. And then
Did you pick a leader?
We all did.
Wait, you say it again?
We all
I learned as a college professor at UNLV, stop going for 100%. I'm going for the rule of 51. If I get 51% or better, I got mine. What's that doing for me when I do that?
makes you feel good. You won.
And take the pressure off of trying to get something that's impossible.
I want, like, let's do it right now. And I don't always take into consideration people don't fire at the same rate that I am. So being able to take a step back, give people the opportunity to process things.
Exactly. And when Kathy catches herself doing that, when she makes course correction, it will be received by the other side. You guys get that? That's a $20 bill.
Rob was saying the fun, but then there's a time where you have to switch that, because they're like, oh, Dave's the joking, like, oh, have fun guy.
Right.
But then when things turn and you can't be that person.
And at the end of the day, it's really all about how you leave them feeling and leaving people wanting more.